awesome.
Hey, I'm rolling my line right here at Maclin Ford. So this is a 2019 F-150 Limited Platinum White. Now, follow me around here. I want to show you guys. Right here, you have zone lighting. You have a camera under it, which means you will see next to the truck when you drive. Right here, you have blind spot indication system. Bliss keeps you safe. Capless gas makes for awesome in -40. No more fumbling around with a fumbling, freezing gas cap. Also, I don't know if you guys know, but you do save 1 tank a year just from fumes releasing when you open the gas cap. As you can see, you have your sensors right here. Your backup sensors. You also come with a spray and bed liner for free, which is awesome. Some new trucks, you don't have the spray and bed liner, so it would be another addition. Same with your tonneau cover. You have that, another savings. As you can see, no dings. All your sensors right here on the side and sensors in the front. Best thing about this truck is the interior. So as you can see right here, you have dual climate control, so you and your wife won't get divorced. They say the leading cause of divorce is the thermostat in a house. Full panoramic moonroof, nice sunglass holder, equipped with Apple, CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sync 3. So as you can see here, you have heated and cooled seats. You have the limited engraving, the two-tone leather. The stereo system's upgraded. It's a German brand called Bang & Olufsen. You have a garage door remote. Like I mentioned, you have the 120 volt plug-in here and back here, which is if you go camping, you can plug in even your Belgian waffle maker. As you can see, you have navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sync 3, all your commands right on the steering wheel. If you look down there, you have a 1, 2, 3. That is, you can program your seats to remember 3 different profiles. It's called seat memory. As you can see down here, you have a 110 volt plug-in for any household item, heated back seats, a 12 volt right here, 2 USB chargers. The space in the Ford back seat is unmatched by any truck I've ever seen. I really think it's a great option for you. Thanks.
All right, I'm Brad at Maclin Ford, and today I'm going to show you our beautiful 2019 Ford Escape SEL. Starting at the very front of this beautiful vehicle, you can see that it's pre-owned, which is excellent for you because you're going to get awesome savings and you get some added features. This one already has full 3M all over the front of the hood, so it's fully covered. It's going to stay looking brand new. There's no rock chips on it. It looks beautiful. The SEL package also comes with these upgraded LED headlights, and then you're going to get the fog lights down below. All right, opening up the hood of this vehicle, you can see that there's a few other features underneath. So you have this nice little heat blanket up here. So it's basically going to keep your engine quieter so you don't hear it as much when you're inside the car. It makes a nice driving experience. But also, if there happens to be a fire by chance, this will actually drop down and melt these clips, and it puts out the fire for you, keeping you and your family safe. Now, down here, you don't have too much to worry about, pretty much just your washer fluid. You can check your oil and do all of that fun stuff, but really you can leave it in the hands of our excellent Ford service technicians. Now, if you want to follow me to the other side of the vehicle here, you can see that we do have added features like the blind zone mirrors on the side here. So this gives you an extra view of the cars beside you, and it makes it easier to drive, so you have the extra peace of mind on the road. Opening up the passenger door, you can see that we have a beautiful leather interior. We have heated seats, dual zone climate controls, and a nice big touchscreen display with Sync 3. Now you're going to find a reverse camera in here as well, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you plug in your cell phone, you can actually bring up a version of your phone on the screen, and that way you can use Maps, Siri, Spotify, all of those fun stuff built into your phone directly on the vehicle, so it's connected to you and the car. In the back seat of this Ford Escape, you have tons of room, and it's very clean back here. The vehicle looks almost brand new. And when you drop down here, you have a nice little armrest with some additional cup holders. And for your clients in the back, you can have nice little vents and then some plugins as well, so they can stay connected. On the back of this vehicle, we do live in Alberta, and you are getting a nice EcoBoost engine with 4-wheel drive. Now this is the 1.5 turbo, so you're gonna get excellent fuel economy and excellent power for driving on the highway. And when you open up the rear hatch, it is fully automatic, so click of a button, it'll open up for you. So you have your hands full, you have kids, don't worry, it opens up for you nice and easily. Now, you're probably wondering, Brad, there's a big back window here, they're gonna steal all my stuff. But we got you covered with this Ford certified accessory for your cargo cover, so that way, no one can steal anything in the back of your vehicle, so it stays nice and secure. And underneath, you do have your spare tire as well. So A little bit of extra storage under here, and if you're ever in need of a spare, you're gonna be taken care of. And now, click of a button, the tailgate drives nice and easily. Follow me around to the front of the vehicle. You do have the roof rails on top that you can add crossbars if you want to put a Thule box or a ski box, anything like that. It is very customizable. And on the side, you do have the Ford special key pass, so it comes with a unique code that you can click in here to get into your vehicle. If you don't have your keys on you, just need to grab something quick out of the car. Or you're gonna have keyless entry as well, so you can just go like that to lock or unlock the vehicle. Makes it very easy, so you don't have to dig around for your keys in your pocket. Up front, for the driver, we have a fully adjustable power driver seat with lumbar support. We're gonna find auto headlights, auto high beams, tailgate opener, fog light controls, all of that fun stuff. And if you wanna hop in with me here, all right, so I'm just gonna show you how some of the features work inside the vehicle. Now you do have push button start. This is a 2019, only 55,000 kilometers. It's super low mileage, and also it's a one-owner vehicle with no accidents reported. It's always been a Maclin Ford vehicle. It's always had it servicing here, so you know it's coming from a good home. Now, you have Sync 3 up here, beautiful display, and it's in night mode right now, but you can change it to a day mode if you want a lighter screen. And then you can see here with the backup camera, it's nice and clear, and you do have the guidance lines as well. We have a full tank of gas, so we're ready to rock and roll. Look forward to taking you for a drive and hoping you like this beautiful 2019 Ford Escape.